So for my mechanical engineering Visual Basics Excel applications class, I had to do a semester project that was mechanical engineering related. And so I thought, what better project than a tankless water heater sizer? Electric tankless water heaters are a great solution for someone like me who lives in an old house or someone who travels a lot and they need a new water heater, but they want something that they can turn off that's kind of low maintenance. An electric tankless water heater is a great solution. Unfortunately, when you do live in an old house, you don't actually know how much water your shower is putting out. You've taken showers at your friend's house maybe, they have more water, some have more, some have less. So you want to know exactly how much water is coming out of your pipes so that you can size exactly the right solution for your water heating needs. So let's go to the shower real quick and I'll show you how to measure the flow rate. All right, I'm here in my shower. I've got my bucket, which is actually a Kirkland's artichoke jar here, 33 ounces. I've got my timer, which is my old Android phone right here, and I'll hit reset on that. And so this is going to be a little bit difficult because you kind of got to, especially if a small bucket, you're going to have to coordinate with your hand and the faucet and stuff. So I'm just going to do my best here, hold my bucket up to the thing, and 3, 2, 1, go. And it's almost full, it's almost full, it's almost full, it's almost full. And stop right when you hear it. Okay. And I've done this a few times. It seems like 11 seconds is a pretty consistent number for how long it takes to fill the 33-ounce bucket. So let's go back to the calculator and see how it works. Our actual program, this is really easy. All we have to do is indicate how big our bucket was. It was 33, and then check ounces because it was ounces. And it took 11 seconds, 0 minutes to fill the bucket. And the water temperature coming in, I assume 4 degrees Celsius because that's the point at which water is the most dense, and it's kind of a good minimum point for liquid water, otherwise it's frozen. And but then I like my supply, I have a better intuition for Fahrenheit, and I want it to be 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So what I do is I check Fahrenheit, and the Celsius number stays the same value. 39.2 degrees C is the same as 4 degrees Celsius. But now I can enter a new value in Fahrenheit that I'm more comfortable with, 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and I can change it back to Celsius, and it turns out that 120 degrees Fahrenheit is 48.8, about 49 degrees Celsius. And so now I can calculate exactly how many watts I need for my electric tankless water heater. And then I can take that to my electrician and say, do I have that on my panel? And then take it to my plumber and say, hey, can you put one of these in? So let's calculate. And it looks like we need 16,000 watts, 16 kilowatts, or 17 kilowatts if you round up. And so we need to find a water heater that's at least 16 kilowatts or 17 kilowatts. And so that's all you got to do.